Welcome to Custom Pool Pro's customer story. Hear about our customer's experience and what you can expect from us. How was your experience building a pool with Custom Pool Pros?
Overall, it was great. It was actually exactly as I would have hoped.
How are you enjoying your pool?
Yeah, it's gone fantastic. We just had our baby. She's a year and a half now, so she's in the pool. It's worked out great. Kind of fulfilling our dream of always having a pool now, and we're having our last actual barbecue tomorrow to end the season. I'm going to close at the end of September, but the heaters helped us kind of keep that open a little bit longer. But yeah, it's been a great summer.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
It was a number of things. I would say the quality materials I thought were very good. I like travertine stone. Tom had a lot of pools of that design. My wife really wanted a geometric rectangle pool with a built-in spa. That seemed to be what Tom did the most of based on the pics on the website. So that was also one of the reasons why. And then I like the fact that Tom does everything under his own umbrella. So he's not outsourcing different functions of the process, which I thought was going to be a better experience overall when it came to building the pool. And gunite as well. So I wanted a gunite pool, and it's kind of hard to find a good quality builder that does that.
How was the quality of work?
The quality is great. Everything came out as I would have hoped. We get a lot of compliments on the pool. Everyone that comes over always is pointing out that the good details and the plaster on the inside of the pool. A lot of other people that we've had over have really liked that, as well as the travertine around the pools come out really well.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
I would do a 10 out of 10. Tom's very responsive. Whenever something's needed, he responds within 24 hours typically, or one of the sales teams, but it's usually Tom you're dealing with, which is a good thing as well. You always want to deal with the person kind of in charge of everything.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
I would, yep. And I already have to a few other people as well that are looking to build within probably the next year or two.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.